In this video, we will explore machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. Machine learning is a key part of AI that allows systems to learn from data and improve over time. Instead of being programmed with fixed rules, these systems get better through experience, helping them recognize patterns, make predictions, or automate tasks. Neural networks are a type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. They're made up of connected units, or neurons, that work together to recognize patterns. Neural networks are especially good at tasks like recognizing faces in photos or understanding spoken language. Deep learning takes this a step further. It uses large neural networks with many layers, allowing AI systems to work directly with raw data like images, video, or audio. This is what powers technologies like voice assistants, real-time translation, and even self-driving cars. These concepts are each part of the same path. Deep learning is built on neural networks, and neural networks are a type of machine learning. Neural networks are made up of layers of neurons. There's an input neuron that receives information, one or more hidden neurons that process it, and an output neuron that produces a result. Each neuron processes information and passes it forward. As the network works, it adjusts itself to reduce mistakes and get better at recognizing patterns. Over time, this allows the system to make more accurate predictions and decisions. Training a neural network is similar to learning through practice. The system makes a guess, checks it against the correct answer, and then adjusts itself if it was wrong. This process repeats many times until the network becomes accurate and reliable. Modern AI PCs from Lenovo include specialized neural processing units, or NPUs, that help handle these AI workloads more efficiently. This means AI features can run faster, use less power, and even work directly on your device, instead of relying only on cloud computing. Deep learning already plays a role in many tools you use every day. Image recognition helps organize your photos by identifying faces and objects. Language processing allows voice assistants to understand your questions and respond naturally. Predictive features can suggest the next word as you type, or help apps anticipate what you need next. Voice recognition makes hands-free controls possible, and smart cameras can automatically enhance photos and videos. Recommendation systems are another everyday example. They help suggest movies, music, or products based on what you've watched, listened to, or searched for previously, making your digital experiences feel more personal. Deep learning is also working behind the scenes in areas like security and healthcare. It can help detect suspicious activity to protect your accounts, assist doctors in analyzing medical images, and even analyze online reviews or social posts to understand public sentiment. Now that you understand the building blocks of AI, machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning, you're better equipped to recognize how AI is enhancing the technology you use every day. To learn more about Lenovo AI PCs, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.